You have $0 coming in from AI. Not yet. You have seen the tools. You have opened the apps. But right now, nothing arrives in your account from any of it. This is what the internet is full of stories about people who made it with AI, but between watching those videos and earning your first dollar, there is a gap most people never close. They try one prompt, they close the tab, they go back to what they know. The people who climb through every level are not smarter, they are not luckier, they just decided the gap was worth crossing. Level 1. $0 to $100 a month from AI. This level exists for one reason, proof, not profit. Proof that a real person will pay you real money for work that AI helped you produce. At level 1, you choose one tool and one deliverable. You write social media captions for a local business using Claude. You generate product descriptions for Etsy sellers with ChatGPT. You build a simple Fiverr gig that takes you 20 minutes instead of 2 hours because AI is doing the heavy lifting. You charge $50. Someone pays it. That transaction is the most important thing that happens at this entire level because it ends a story you have been telling yourself, that this only works for other people. When the payment lands, something in your wiring changes. You stop seeing AI tools as toys and start seeing them as leverage. You begin scanning your week for every task that takes you time and asking whether AI could cut it in half. This is the single most important mental shift in the entire journey. Once you know AI can pay you, everything that follows is just scale. Level 2. $100 to $500 a month. You have proven the model works. Now you find what to build into a system. At level 2, AI stops being a shortcut and starts being a workflow. You build a prompt template that hits every time. You create a simple system with your best outputs documented. You set up a process that replaces 3 hours of manual work. Clients start returning. Products get second sales. The income swings month to month, but the system is tightening. You begin to understand the difference between AI earners who grow fast and those who plateau. It is always documentation. The ones who grow write down what works. When you hit 500 in a single month, you cross a threshold in your thinking. You consider reinvestment, a better tool, a higher-priced offer. You stop treating AI income as supplemental and start treating it as a business that is currently very small. The gap between level 2 and 3 is not more skill, it is the decision to stop calling this a side project. Level 3. $500 to $2,000 a month. This is where casual earners stop and builders continue. Your AI stack does real work while you focus on delivering output and keeping relationships. At level 3, your AI workflow produces in 1 hour what used to take a full day. You might run a content agency for small businesses, using AI to draft everything you then review and deliver. Maybe you build and sell AI-generated digital products, prompt packs, templates, automation workflows. Maybe you handle clients' deliverables with a custom process that handles 90% for you. Per hour, you are out-earning your salary. You just have not made the full switch yet. $2,000 a month in AI income changes how your finances breathe. It covers your car payment, your phone bill, a month of groceries. The low-grade monthly anxiety, the worry that one surprise expense could wreck your week, starts to fade. You are not financially free yet, but you can breathe, and in that space is where the next level gets planned. Level 4. $2,000 to $5,000 a month. The question is no longer whether this works. It is whether you go all in. At level 4, your system operates without you being present every hour. You have productized your output, client retainers, a digital product line, an AI-powered service with recurring monthly revenue. You bring in help for the parts that do not require AI, scheduling, invoicing, replies, and keep the high-leverage creative decisions for yourself. This is the level where solo operators build real businesses without a team or a single line of code. The hard decision at level 4 is time. Your full-time job now costs you the hours where your AI income could compound. You see the math. 6 hours a day of creative energy redirected into a system that scales would move you to level 5 faster than any tool upgrade. Most people stay at level 4 too long, not because they cannot advance, but because advance feels like risk. The income is real. The system is real. The only thing missing is the decision. Level 5, $5,000 a month and beyond. The tools you built now generate income while you sleep, travel, and plan what comes next. At level 5, you have built something that runs without your constant attention. AI handles the writing, the research, the first pass edits. Automated pipelines process leads and deliver work at any hour. You spend your mornings on strategy, not execution. The income is no longer tied to the hours you show up. The ceiling is no longer your energy, it's the size of the market you choose to serve. At $5,000 a month from AI, your relationship with money changes permanently. You stop worrying about the cost of things and start valuing the cost of time. You turn down opportunities that would have thrilled you at level 1 because they trade time for money and your system already solved that problem. You become selective, not arrogant, just clear on what your attention is worth and unwilling to spend it cheaply. Go back. You are at level 1. Nothing has arrived in your account yet. One tool is open. One problem is in front of you. That moment is where everything above began. Every client at level 2 traced back to the workflow you built at level 1. Every system at level 3 started as a manual task you finally got tired of doing by hand. Every leap in this journey was constructed on the layer below it. The compound effect here is not just dollars. It is skill stacked on skill, trust built through delivery, leverage earned through output. This is not income that falls from the sky. It is income built deliberately, one level at a time. You do not need to start at level 5. You need to start at level 1 today with the tools that exist right now and one problem you can actually solve. Every person earning $5,000 a month from AI was once exactly where you are. The gap is not talent. It is the decision to start and then the discipline not to stop. Subscribe to Moth Money for the tools, workflows, and AI income strategies that move you up, one level at a time. Educational content only, not financial advice. Do your own research.